Crypto Kings and Queens, we're looking at Polkadot on the 12-hour chart. Why I'm using the 12-hour chart is because I can see more clear on exactly what's happening. Because if I'm going to the 4-hour chart, we can see what's happening, but that's just because I used the higher time frames first. So I'm going to continue doing the 12-hour chart just to see more clarity on what's actually going on. So we did have the head and shoulders. We did have the neckline that we did break, the previous support, and right now we are coming back up and maybe trying to retest this neckline. We can also use a Fibonacci from the highest point at 42 to around 34, and we can see that the 50 and 60% is just above this neckline that we're having. So we just might see the market coming up and trying to break inside again. But if we're seeing the rejections against this level, we are having the market continuing back down. And just looking at Fibonacci, I just turned the targets into round numbers at 32, 28, 24, and that is also with the Fibonacci that we're having. So if we see the market now coming up to these levels, we see the rejections, the market could come back down to the targets that I was talking about. But if we're closing inside again and we see the retest of the neckline as a new support, the market can then continue to the upside. But we need to see, first of all, how the market is behaving around the neckline to then make the decision on what to do on Polkadot.